Hey everyone, Ralph from the Griffith Watch Company here with two very good friends of mine who are going to help us give away this watch today. So today we're going to give away our Mariner. We wanted to thank everybody for following, sharing, and liking. We are overwhelmed with the number of people who have kind of jumped on board with us here. So we have almost close to 1,000 followers across all of our channels, but today we're going to focus on Instagram. So we have just over 500 followers on Instagram. So we're going to choose one of you today live and send you a watch. So my two friends here, I've got Elijah, one of our influencers, and his brand is
Gnarly Nomad.
Gnarly Nomad. So please follow, take the time and energy to get in there and see some of his content. We connected with him because it resonates with what we're trying to do here. There's great content there. And our good friend Blake here at Goodman Jewelers. Blake, anything on your mind?
I'd just like to say how happy we are and proud to carry Griffith watches here at Goodman Jewelers. It's great to have a personal relationship with a watch brand. That's just something you don't get these days. So thank you, Ralph.
Yeah, and we're thankful for the opportunity. This is our first retail location, so we're happy to sell watches, but we're even happier to meet people and build community around what we're trying to do. So I guess yeah, keep the likes and follows coming, and to expedite this, I think we should show the watch. So this is our Mariner. It closely resembles the Patek Philippe, so it's trying to be an homage piece to that. Exhibition case back, and a nice weight to it as well too. So whoever wins this is gonna love that watch, and you'll be able to see the iota movement inside of it with the Griffith Watch Company on the rotor there. So yep, beautiful watch, and again, we're super happy to give it away. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna jump into our, here, where's my phone? It's somewhere. We're gonna ask chat to help us pick a random number here, and we're gonna count down. So we officially have, up to date here, 513 followers. So we're gonna ask chat to give us a random number. Please give me a random number between 1 and 513. Random number is 287, so we have to count 287 down, right in the middle. Of course, it will do that to us. So I'm going to click on followers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's about 10 per page. 20. 30. Sorry, it's refreshing after every 10. This was a lot quicker in my mind. Yeah, it's buffering right now. Okay. There we go. 30, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. Halfway there. 20, 200. What was the number?
287.
287?
Is that right?
287. 287. 287. Okay. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And let's count down here. So 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Speedy Feb 69, Far East Bidders. I'm gonna message you right now. Congratulations, you just won a Griffith watch. Just send me your contact information. We'll go back and forth a little bit, and I'll have it into the mail tomorrow, first thing for you. So appreciate you very much. Thank you for everything. Thank you for my good friends here and helping us build a brand we care and love.
Thank you all.
Good to be here.
We'll see you next time.